Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Thinkific account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a PDF into your Thinkific course? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a PDF into one of your Thinkific courses anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses, you know that if you add a PDF to some of the lessons, it can help the user visualize the course. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Thinkific account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Thinkific account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a PDF into one of your courses, you're going to click on products off here to the left. Once you do that, you want to click on courses. Okay, guys, once you click into courses, you're going to see all of the different courses you've put together in Thinkific. You can see I just have this one, but you want to go ahead and click into the course. Okay, guys, so once you click into the course, it's going to show you the outline of your course here to the left. So there's actually a few different ways that you can add a PDF into your course. So here I have my chapter about Mexican food, and then I have my various lessons. So if one lesson is going to be just a PDF, you can simply just add a complete lesson right here. Once you click on lesson, you can go ahead and click on PDF. Okay, here you can go ahead and add the title of this lesson, PDF about taco ingredients. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and upload this PDF. Okay, I'm going to grab it from my computer. Okay, so I have a PDF and I'm going to go ahead and upload it. Okay, now down here at the bottom, you can go ahead and set up the settings. So do you want this PDF to be downloadable for your students? Go ahead and leave it checked. If not, you can uncheck it. And then you just want to click on Save Lesson. So as you can see right here under the chapter about Mexican food, I have a PDF about taco ingredients. So in this particular lesson, I can only have a PDF. I can't have pictures or videos or anything like that. However, if you simply want to incorporate a PDF into a text lesson, you can go into the text lesson. So this one is a text lesson, salsas and sauces. And as you can see, this particular lesson is about sauces. And I have a video, I have some text, I have another video. But if you want to connect a PDF, let's go ahead and look for this toolbar right here. And then you want to click here, upload file. Okay, so we're going to grab the file from right here. Okay, I've grabbed a PDF. And as you can see, it just drops it right in as a link. So what we can do is my students are going to be able to click on this blue link and then download that PDF. So make sure you scroll to the bottom and then click on Save Lesson. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a PDF into your Thinkific course, that's two different ways you can do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.